Hello, my name is Phil, the tired pre-press guy, and I call myself that because you can see the bags under my eyes from the years and years and years of doing pre-press and file fixes for customers. I've been doing this so long that most of the clients I've worked with weren't even born when I started doing this. So today I want to talk to you about a very important aspect and a very overlooked aspect of design. Everybody loves to get behind the computer and come up with a creative idea and then hopefully produce a nice finished printed piece. But one thing that's often overlooked is the aspect of proofreading. I can't stress this enough. Proofreading on a phone, proofreading on a tablet, proofreading even on your computer screen is really not a good way to check your files. In this digital age, it's far too often that we take the shortcuts. We would just want to see it on screen, whisk it off to a printer, and hope that everything turns out okay. So the example I'm going to give you was a newsletter that we produced, and there was about 30,000 of them, and I insisted upon a hard copy proof. Now the customer really didn't want to see one. They simply wanted to do a soft proof, and we'll just check it and we'll let it go. Well, we gave them the soft proof, they approved the job, but something about that job told me that I shouldn't let it go without pushing them. So I pushed back. The customer came in, they looked at the proof, and they found a mistake right away. The long and short of it is, within 5 minutes, they found a second mistake. Now, this is a newsletter that they had created, they had designed, and they had sent to me for final output. So I said, take it with you, because you're probably going to find something else. Well, an hour later, we got a call. There was something else. So the project got delayed. So I can't stress it enough. Don't take shortcuts when it comes to proofreading. And if you're a designer sending jobs out, especially big, expensive runs, take the time and get a hard copy proof. It's really important. There's your soft proof, which I'm not real keen on those because they don't seem to work all the time. And then there's just a composite color print, which is nice. You can check content with it, and it's kind of useful for that and kind of gives you an idea of what you're going to get, but it's not going to be a really accurate representation. And then there's the press proof. The press proof is what should be coming off the press that the job is going to be run on. And that's where you're going to see your color accuracy, your fonts, anything else that may not work. So keep in mind that proofreading, even though it sounds like it's a simple concept, is really, really important, especially in printing, because last thing you want to have is a job that you sent out to an online printer and then you have a skid full of paper that was all printed wrong. And I've seen this happen more than once in my career. So again, I stress to you, always go for a hard copy proof. Check it out. And with that proofing, check your piece out. Make sure your piece works. Is it going to be scored? Is it going to be folded? Is it going to be bound in some way? Is there going to be die cutting on it? Is type going to get cut off when you fold it, like in this one here? This could have been adjusted. It's really just a learning lesson and something that young designers need to understand, that in this digital age, it's hard to assume that PDF proof is going to be not the best, but it really isn't the best. It's better to go with a hard copy proof in almost every instance, especially if you're sending a job out and there's a large run and it's very expensive. Because at the end of the day, when the job gets printed wrong, most likely they're going to come back to you. So this is just my words of wisdom from years and years of experience in doing pre-press design and pre-press fix. Thanks for watching.